Hey screen printers, this is Ryan from RyanNet, and today we're going to show you how to set up and install the screen for the Action Engineering Roller Squeegee. Now this Roller Squeegee is for the S.Roque, also compatible with any other type of automatic press. Really cool, so check out the other videos on YouTube for the Roller Squeegee on our channel. Basically what this does, it does a couple things. It flattens ink out to avoid fibrillation. Also you can use it as a smoothing tool, a delinting tool. So there's so many different things this Roller Squeegee does. Very simple and unique design, kind of invented by Eric over at Action Engineering. They did a great job with this. When you get it, you're going to get it with just the squeegee, and you're going to get it with a piece of Teflon. Now, they do have some kits available with this already installed. However, most of the time you're going to get it with the Teflon installed separately. So we're going to show you how to do that. So instructions are simple, but that's what we're going to go over in the video here. We're going to use a 23 by 31 inch screen. It can be any mesh. You want it to make sure it's a stronger mesh, so we're using like a 200, 160. It's coated with emulsion and exposed. So this is exposed emulsion, so it will avoid breakdown when this roller is running over it. Next, we're going to take this Teflon and apply this. So to do that, we're going to need some permanent adhesive. Today we're using some 3M rubber vinyl. So that's going to actually apply this Teflon. So what the Teflon does is once it's applied, it essentially acts like the Teflon of your heat press. So Teflon's a very smooth surface. The roller squeegee applies pressure to that, so it smooths out the surface of the ink. Now if you're using it actually as a delinter tool, you're probably going to use another screen without the Teflon and spray some spray mist or something to make the underside of the screen sticky. So it kind of depends on the purpose, but this is for your smoothing application. First of all, we're going to do this on a clean table, clean surface. The Teflon has two sides. It has a rough side, which has been scored so it sticks to the screen, and then a smooth side, which is the side that touches your shirt. First thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the adhesive. Now we're using a rubber vinyl 3M adhesive. This is the same adhesive that we use to apply pallet permanently to, or pallet rubber permanently to pallets. You can also use any other permanent adhesive. You don't want to use a temporary adhesive like spray mist, that's temporary, so permanent. So we're just going to spray this adhesive onto the Teflon. All right, so once we get enough adhesive down, we're going to take the screen and then apply the screen directly onto that. So we set it up straight so that our print area is consistent with the screen. And we'll take the screen and then we, from the center, start rubbing that adhesive and manually applying that down so it sticks. Our hand like that. Not a horrible idea to use gloves, especially if you're dealing with sticky adhesive, so you don't get it on your hands. So far I haven't gotten any on my hands, knock on wood there. We're just going to apply this down so it sticks, kind of squeegee it on there. All right, once that's done, we're going to put some weight on this to allow it to set in. We're going to let it sit overnight. So once that's all there, we're going to put some weight. I put a sheet of foam inside of it. You don't have to do the foam, but this helps evenly distribute the weight. Then we're going to take a big old aluminum pallet, stick it on there, and then maybe stack a couple of gallons of ink or something on top of that to apply that weight. So we're going to let that sit overnight, and then we will now use it tomorrow. So check out the other videos on how to use the Action Engineering Roller Squeegee and the different applications for that on the S.Roque and other equipment. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy this awesome piece of screen printing equipment.